Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today we're going to talk about WordPress and what plugins to download and activate on your website. This one is called 404 to start, and you want to send 404 page not found errors directly back to the home page or any other page or site that you choose. Now this will overcome problems with search engines. It'll make your website more SEO friendly. So to download this plugin, click the download button. And on your WordPress dashboard, click on the Plugins tab. And up on the top, click Add New. Under the Install Plugins, click Upload. Choose the zip file that you just downloaded off that website for the 404 to start. Find the file, and then click Install. And then click Activate. That's all there is to it. To make your website more SEO friendly, to keep your customers happy in case there's an error on your website. Instead of there being a 404 error, it'll send your customer back to the home page or any other page or website that you want it to send them to. Thank you very much. This is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle.